is the concept of biotechnology, neurobiophysics, molecular transport, lecture 1. Neurophysics or neurobiophysics is the branch of biophysics dealing with the use of physical technique to gain information about the nervous system on a molecular level. Molecular movement are the movement of various molecules from one place to another inside the cell and in between the cell, carry out various metabolic reaction and require movement of molecule, and they are necessary for life. As examples includes the diffusion of oxygens and carbon dioxide, osmosis of water and facilitated diffusion. Active transport require the cell to spend the energy usually in the forms of ATP. Examples include transport of large molecules, non-lipid soluble, and the sodium-potassium pump. Structure of the cell membrane. It is a double layer of phospholipid bilayer, and it is an elastic 7.5-10 nanometer, and it contains almost protein called membrane protein or the fluid mosaic model. About the cell membrane is the continued structure of cell membrane. Lipid bilayer, 2 layer of phospholipid. Phosphate head is the polar, that is a water loving. Fatty acid tail is a non-polar water faring, and the protein embedded in protein. So see in the diagram is the tail head and the phospholipids and the lipid bilayer. About cell membrane, a cell membrane have a pore in the selectively permeable, it allows some molecule in and keep other molecules out. The structure help it be selective. As outside of the cell is the transport of protein, that's glycoprotein, lipid bilayer, protein, carbohydrates chain, phospholipid inside of the cell in the cytoplasma, hydrophobic region of protein. Is the integral membrane protein. The integral protein, the 70% of the cell membrane protein part and the parcels of the membrane structure, and the pumps, they transport the substances against concentration. Channel protein open and closed by gates. Carrier protein involved in transport of substances. Enzymes protein takes place in the membrane reaction, and the receptor protein, they bear appropriate site for recognitions of specific ligand. And the functions of protection functions is the protective functions, absorptive function, exchange of gases, and transportation, that is a pass through the passively, and the communication, the certain receptor which recognize and respond to the specific signal. That is all about the molecular transport.